What's up? I'm taking you on a trip today and we're gonna go check out something that's new and brewing to the area, and it smells really good, all right? It's gonna be some new homes popping up on the west side of Bolingbrook, okay? And it's gonna be a new community called Sawgrass, all right? And they're gonna be building some new and some nice homes in that area. So you're gonna wanna stick around so you can see the inside of these homes. And we're about to get after it right now. Let's go. If this is your first time on this channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in Chicago and the neighboring suburbs, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market in Chicago. Hey, what's up? It's Marlon here with my team, and we get calls, texts, and emails from people just like you every single day looking to make that move to Chicago, and we absolutely love it. So what I want you to do is to not hesitate, whether you're moving in 9 days or you're moving in 90 days. Give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. We are here to serve you so we can help you make a smooth move to the city of Chicago, because that's why we're here. But let's go check out these homes. All right, so I just got done talking to the builders and we got some good news here. They still have lots available, okay? You know, they have about 6 to 7 lots on the estate series sides and about 6 to 7 lots as well open on the Meadow series side, you know, here in the Sawgrass community. Now, they can open some other lots, you know, if they, you know, is demand for them, they will do that. That is something that she did mention when I was in there, that they will potentially open up those lots if you do ask, okay? But, you know, some lots they're not going to open, like some lots with nobody in the backyard right now. They aren't opening those just yet. So, you know, if that's something that you're looking for, you may have to wait just a little bit longer to get that. But that is something, you know, that's going to be happening here in the new here in Sawgrass. All right, so that's going to be that. But something else I wanted to point out was that, you know, the build time right now is looking at around 7 to 9 months, right? So right now it's March right now. If you were to purchase right now, then it would, you know, take about 7 to 9 months. So you're looking at a finish time around October to December if you're looking to purchase here in March. So again, 7 to 9 months of build time, and then you will be all ready to move into your new home. Now, there is going to be a $92 HOA fee associated with this new community here in Sawgrass as well. So, you know, wanted to make sure that you knew that. And then also, when you are qualifying and, you know, going ahead and deciding to write on this property, put in an offer, securing your lot, then they are going to ask for that lot up front. That is going to be the down payment. However much your lot is, when you do write, they are going to look for that as a down payment. All right, so make sure that you do have that when you are ready. But, you know, don't worry about that. That's between me and you, right? We'll get to that when we cross that bridge. But just want to make sure that you knew that up front, okay? But these are going to be these new homes here in the Sawgrass community, and we're about to go check them out. All right, let's go see. Pulte Homes is going to be offering 2 different series of homes that you could choose from when you are thinking about getting a new construction home here in the Sawgrass community in Bolingbrook. All right, they're going to start with the Newberry model of the Meadow series, and then they're going to go all the way to the Mercer model, then the Continental model, and then the Waverly model. So you get 4 models for the Meadow series, and they're going to run you around 2,300 square feet all the way up to 3,700 square feet.
you're gonna get around 3 to 6 bedrooms and 2.5 to 4 bathrooms, okay? And then you're also going to get a 2-car garage with those Meadow Series homes. And when it's all said and done, once you add your lot and your upgrades and your base price, then it's going to come out to a total of $700,000 or more. Okay, so that's what you're going to get for the Meadow Series here at the Sawgrass community, which is going to be very nice. All right.
All right, so that was the Continental model for the newly developing community called Sawgrass here in Bolingbrook, Illinois. The builder is going to be Pulte Homes, and we just walked out of the Continental model here. Really nice model here. The nice thing about these new developing homes here in the Sawgrass community in Bolingbrook is that they're going to be having 2 different models types of homes here in this new developing community. So they're going to have the Estate Series on the left hand side when you drive up in, and they're going to have the Meadow Series, just like the Continental model we just walked out of, on here on the right hand side. So that's going to be really nice. And the difference is that the Estate Series homes are going to be a little bit bigger. They're going to be a 3-car garage as well, and that's going to be different from these Meadow Series homes like the Continental model here. That one's going to be a 2-car garage as well, and they're going to be just a slightly smaller in square footage, but I mean, not much actually. But this model here that we just came out of, the Continental, it's going to have a starting base price at around $580,000. Okay, and then you got to also remember that you got to include the lot as well. So that's going to run you from anywhere between $65,000 and $85,000. So just keep that in mind. And then you got to also add on your upgrades too. So make it the best that you want it to make it, just so you love it while you're living there. And if you eventually want to move, right, you'll have an easy time selling that home because it'll already have all the upgrades. So just keep that in mind. But that was the Continental model that we just walked out of. Again, really nice here. They got one more model here, and this one's going to be part of the Estate Series. So we're going to go check it out right now. Let's go.
Now, if we're talking about the Estate Series, you're going to get a little bit more for those homes here. You're going to get 5 different model type homes, starting with the Riverton, then the Westchester, the Willwood, the Woodside, and then the Castleton. All right, and you're gonna get all the way from 3,100 square feet all the way up to 3,900 square feet of home. You're gonna get from 4 to 6 bedrooms, 2.5 to 4.5 bathrooms. All right. And then you're also gonna get a 3-car garage, which is gonna be really nice as well. And then when it's all said and done, once you add your lot, once you add your upgrades, once you go ahead and close on your home, you're gonna be at around $830,000 to $840,000 for your closing price. All right. So that's going to be really nice. That's what you're going to get for the Estate Series homes in Sawgrass, in Bolingbrook. So what else they're going to also offer, Pulte, is going to be a 10-year limited structural warranty. So you're going to have that peace of mind, knowing that for the next 10 years after you buy that home, that you're going to have, a warranty on your home. So if anything does happen, you're going to be covered. So that's going to be a great thing. All right, let's go see what the homes look like.
All right, so we just came out of the Woodside model for the Estate Series homes here at, Sawgrass in Bolingbrook, Illinois. And my goodness, wasn't that home just beautiful? A picturesque home, by far, one of my favorite homes I've ever walked through. But those homes here are going to be starting at a base price of $680,000. Remember, you got to add on that lot as well. So after everything, after you add on your lot and you got your base price, you add your upgrades, then these homes are going to be coming in at around $800 to $900,000. At the end when you are getting ready to close on this home. All right, and the Continental models, those are going to be coming in at around $700 to $800,000. Now, if you do go basic on everything, basic appliances, just basic, lot, then you're going to be looking at around $690, okay, for your, purchase price in the end. All right, so just keep that in mind. I want to kind of give you some numbers there, but this estate series home here, the Woodside model, is going to be around 3,200 square feet, and you're going to get 3 bedrooms. So that's going to be really nice. And you also get that, really nice living room and open concept in the kitchen. So I just think it is really great. Now, if you're thinking about getting some of these new construction homes, I don't want you to be nervous because these are some of the hottest tickets in town right now, especially if you are a millennial and you're thinking about not moving into maybe someone else's home that they've lived in for 10, 15 years. You want your own home, then I completely understand. All right, give us a call, shoot us a text, us an email so we can help you secure your new home today. All right, maybe get your new construction. Let's put that dream into action right now. All right, so give us a call. But these are the new homes that are popping up here in Bolingbrook, Illinois, and also just a great location as well. If you can see behind me, there's also a golf course called the Neighborhood Golf Course. That's going to be really easy to get to. If you're a golfer, then you're going to have probably the best access to that golf course living right here in this new developing Sawgrass community. All right, so they also got a basketball court right out front here and a park to take the kiddos to. So that is really nice to have nearby. So you could be one of the first people to own some of these homes here in Bolingbrook. And if you want to, please don't hesitate. They are going fast right now. The builders, Pulte Homes, are in phase 3. They are going to be building some more homes, but you don't want to wait, okay? Because these homes and these lots do go fast, all right? But thank you for sticking around to the end of this tour. I appreciate you. Thank you again. And until I can show you around your new home here in Chicago, peace.